In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your image in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, attach an image, and guide the edit with a clear prompt so you get the results you want. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load. Using an up-to-date browser helps the site run smoothly, so if something looks off, a quick refresh or trying another browser can help. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to move into the editing flow. Next, select Chat. This opens the conversation window where you'll interact with Grok. Think of it as your workspace, messages at the bottom, responses above, and the tools you'll need right where you type. Look for the paperclip icon in the message bar. This is your attachment button. Click it to bring up the options for adding content. If your window is narrow, the icon may be tucked into the edge of the input area. Expanding the window or scrolling slightly usually reveals it. Choose Upload a file. This tells Grok you want to add a file from your device rather than a link. When your system's file picker opens, you're ready to point Grok to the exact image you'd like to edit. Select your image and click Open. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If you have multiple versions, choose the highest quality one for best results. Large files can take a moment to upload, so give it a second if you don't see the thumbnail right away. As a best practice, avoid uploading images that contain sensitive information. Once the image appears in the chat, type your prompt and submit it by clicking the Send button or pressing Enter. Be specific and direct about the edit you want. For example, instead of make it better, try increase brightness slightly, boost contrast, and sharpen the subject's face, or remove the background and replace it with a clean white backdrop, or warm the color temperature and reduce noise. You can include multiple adjustments in one prompt, just keep them clear and ordered. If style matters, name it, like cinematic soft shadows or clean product look, true to life colors. If dimensions or orientation are important, mention them right in the prompt, such as crop to a square, keep the subject centered. After you send your prompt, review the result. If it isn't quite right, follow up with a short refinement like a bit less saturation or make the background pure white. Small, precise tweaks usually get you to the perfect edit quickly. And that's it. You've edited your image in Grok from start to finish. Keep your prompts clear, iterate if needed, and enjoy polished results.